Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're discussing meal kit delivery services, specifically their pricing and what they offer for each of their plans. And the services we're going to talk about today have been dominating the market now, as they offer the best and healthiest services out there. These services are HelloFresh, Blue Apron, Factor 75, Green Chef, and finally Home Chef. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Also, if you'd like to check out any of these services, you'll find discount links available in the description down below to help you save some extra money. For starters, what are meal kit delivery services in the first place? Well, meal kit delivery services are basically companies that make cooking at home a lot easier and more convenient. They send you all the ingredients you need for a meal pre-measured and ready to go right to your doorstep. That means you don't have to worry about going to the grocery store and trying to figure out what you want to buy for dinner. Each service has its own price scheme, so I'll break down each one individually. And let's start with HelloFresh. HelloFresh has been one of the most popular meal kit services out there with over 2,500 recipes in their catalog. Their current meal plans are meat and veggies, family friendly, fit and wholesome, quick and easy, and finally, pescatarian. In terms of pricing, it depends on the number of servings and number of meals you're ordering that week. They offer 2 to 4 servings per meal and around 6 meals per week, which means you can get up to 24 servings each week. The cost per serving starts off at $12.49 per serving for 2 people if you're getting 2 meals per week. And this price decreases the more meals you order to reach $8.99 per serving for 4 people if you're getting 6 meals per week. Now, let's move on to Blue Apron. Blue Apron is another extremely popular meal kit service. They're well known for their gourmet-like recipes and their huge selection of international cuisine. With Blue Apron, you get 70 plus weekly options to pick from, and their meals are divided into 5 different plans: Chef's Favorite, Wellness, Family Friendly, Fast and Easy, and Veggies. Similar to HelloFresh, Blue Apron offers 2 to 4 servings per recipe. But with Blue Apron, you can get up to 4 meals per week, which means you can get a maximum of 16 servings each week. When it comes to pricing, their cost per serving starts off at $9.49 and goes down the more servings and recipes you order each week to reach $7.99 per serving if you're getting 4 servings and 4 meals that week. Next up, we have Factor 75. Now, Factor 75 is a meal delivery service that specializes in fully prepared, heat and eat meals and offers a wide variety of well-balanced, chef-prepared recipes with whole food ingredients to fit any lifestyle. They have a rotating weekly menu of 35 gourmet meals. These meals come in 5 different categories: Chef's Choice, Keto, Calorie Smart, Vegan and Veggie, and Protein Plus. With Factor, you can order a minimum of 6 meals per week and up to 18 servings per week. The price per serving starts off at $13.49 for the 6-meal plan and goes down to $10.99 per serving for 18 meals. Now let's move on to Green Chef, which is a meal delivery service that specializes in providing customers with organic, healthy, and sustainably sourced ingredients to create restaurant-quality meals in the comfort of their own homes. Green Chef offers a variety of meal plans to cater to different dietary requirements and preferences, including vegan, vegetarian, paleo, keto, and gluten-free options. They have a rotating menu of 30 meals each week, and the meals are split into 7 different categories, which are keto, vegetarian, Mediterranean, fast and fit, vegan, gluten-free, and finally protein-packed. They offer 2, 4, or 6 servings per meal and either 3 or 4 meals per week. The price per serving starts off at $13.49 for 2 people and 3 meals per week, and it drops down to $11.99 per serving for 6 people and 4 meals that week. And finally, we have Home Chef. Home Chef is a meal delivery service that provides fresh, pre-portioned ingredients and easy-to-follow recipes to make delicious meals at home. They also offer a variety of meal plans to cater to different dietary needs and preferences, including low-carb, vegetarian, and gluten-free options. You can also choose from a weekly rotating menu of 20 different recipes, which includes options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The recipes are designed to be easy to follow and can be cooked in 30 minutes or less. Now, when it comes to pricing, your order cost will vary depending on the size of the order and meal options you select. Their pricing is also tiered so that orders containing 6 servings or more have a lower price per serving than orders containing 4 servings, which is the minimum number of servings to place an order. Standard meals start at $11.99 per serving for orders with 4 servings and $9.99 per serving for orders with 6 servings or more, depending on the current available menu and options. Meal types vary in price. Our minimum weekly order value, excluding shipping, is $47.96. So these have been the pricing schemes of some of the best meal kit delivery services out there, as well as what features and plans they offer when you decide to use them. But remember that most of these plans are almost always offering discounts and promotions, so overall you'd be paying less than you'd expect when you try these services. And of course, if you'd like to give any of these services a try, you'll find discount links as well as in-depth reviews in the description down below. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it or found it informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. And if you've tried any of these services before, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.